been done.
Good morning everybody, last day in Lacanau, just heading out to get some photos. I've got this amazing drone footage of some surfers that are out surfing today. The surf is up, there's a small swell. I'm just going to have a wee walk into town and see if I can grab breakfast for the family. And we're going to pack up, we're going to jump in the van and we're going to head north because the weather down here near Bordeaux and Lacanau is just absolutely roasting. We've no air conditioning in the van, so we want to get up the road, maybe about 5 degrees cooler up towards Paris, and we're making our way up towards Disneyland Paris, which I'm really excited about, probably more excited than the kids. I always wanted to go as a kid, never ever got the opportunity. Now get to live out my childhood fantasies of going to Disneyland, so looking forward to that. I'll try and get some footage on the way up the road. Let's see what we see. Hopefully this village that we're going to, and I've forgotten the name of it but I'll put it on screen just now. The village that we're going to seems one of these classic beautiful French villages, so hopefully lots of photo opportunities and lots of video opportunities. So let's go get breakfast and then get packed away. See you soon. The thing that can be really annoying about the rock and roll bed is sometimes the seatbelt straps lose the actual seatbelt piece, the clip, and they go down the back of the bed, like has happened on this one here. So we're just packing away our stuff in France here, and one of the kids has accidentally pulled the seatbelt thing through or knocked it through. Here's a wee tip for you. So here under the bed you can see I've put a clothes peg just above the seatbelt clip. Now in theory I could try and crawl under here and push this up and someone could be at the top and grab it, but I'm quite a big guy, it's quite a small space. So pop the clothes peg there, and all I'm going to do is pull it through. Easy peasy. Open up this gap slightly and then fish this all the way back up to the top. And there we have it. Easy as that. Hope that helps someone. It's helped me.
this one's gone.
Hey everyone, so we've had a bit of a disaster. I can't believe it. So on the way down from England, as you'll probably know by now, we had a bit of an incident where the tyres got bulges in the sides of them and they blew. Well, they didn't blow out completely, but the rubber had blown down the sides. We're just travelling back from Lacanau now, and another tyre has done the same thing. So this is obviously a tyre fault. This isn't anything we've hit in the road. I'm now going to attempt to put a spare on. I've never done this in a VW, but I think the spare's under the rear. I'm going to put the spare on and see if we can hop up to the hotel that we're booked in for tonight, at least get somewhere. It's absolutely baking hot. We're next to the motorway in a service station, and at least if I can get there we can try and get some help. Wish me luck.
I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up, but there's a bulge there, and then, well, I'll show you when the tyre comes off, but there's another bulge as the wheel is going round. So it's obviously burst on the inside again, like the other three did back in the south of England. Happy ficking days. So this is us on one of the hottest days. We decided to go from the south to further north so we'd be closer to Disneyland Paris and not have to do an 8-hour journey with the kids. And it is currently 5 to 3 in the afternoon, so it's hot as o'clock. But we've managed to find a tree at a parking, and Kenny is just trying to get the spare wheel off. Just stay there, I can see you. Oh my god!
All the way along there.
So this is the wheel, and as you can see we have big pops as it's popped. Got there as well. And it's a huge one here.
Don't touch it, just in case.
It's all the way round basically. There's another one, it's a huge one. I'm trying to get out of the shadow. And then another one, that's a huge one. That is unbelievable. God, this is so bad. Look at that. I mean, we could have... Oh, I don't even want to think about it. I really don't want to think about it.
It doesn't have to be super tight, Chris, because we're going to tighten it when it drops. So,
oh, are we?
I'm so pissed off right now. I can't believe this has happened again. This is definitely a tyre fault. We know this for sure. I'm going to get back in touch with the guys, the amazing guys at Quick Fit in Brentwood, who helped us change the other three. This happening again right now just says to me all over this is a tyre problem, and I'm going to get back in touch with the guys who got the camper van from, because this is just really bad. Okay, so the wheel needs to go inside the van. Now, it can damage the floor, so we need something to put on the floor.
Right, I think what we'll do is we'll walk over to the petrol station, see if we can wash our hands somewhere, because I don't really fancy driving with these. And we can't get in the van now to wash our hands because there's a big massive F-off wheel in the way.
Okay, so we've managed to use the spare wheel to get us as far as Euromaster, which is a tyre place. I phoned the AA, sorry I just cleaned the screen there. I phoned the AA as part of the VW breakdown service, and stupidly, not thinking right because it's about 38 degrees, my brain's fried, not realising it's a tyre. They're not going to fix it free, are they? It's not a VW warranted part. So they advised us just to come to a tyre place, so we've pulled in and the guy's going to have a look, and cross fingers they'll have one of these in stock and we can get back on our way again. But I mean, we spent over, I think it was over 600 quid back in Folkestone on one of our previous episodes that you would have seen by now. I don't know how much another new tyre is going to cost, but what an absolute nightmare. I'm really pissed off with this actually, really pissed off. It's actually ruining the holiday, so yeah, cross fingers. Let's go and see what the guy says. Hopefully they've got these in stock, the right size, the right load rating, all that kind of stuff, and we'll take it from there. I'll update you. So we're out of luck. They didn't have this tyre in stock, but the guy tightened it with a tyre bar and it's now up to proper torque, so I'm a bit more comfortable. I think he got at least half a turn on each of those nuts, so it makes me feel a bit more secure. So onwards, there's nothing we can do about it tonight. Traitor.
And a charcutier.
Oh, we can probably lock this outside door.
Daddy.
Wow. Hold on, let me have a look at this one. Wow, oh, it's nice and cool.
Daddy, look at eyes. They're full of citrus.
Wow, it's nice and cool. So we've arrived on Beaugency and we are at Chez Henri, and I'm really looking forward to the food because it looks amazing. Having, Steph?
Caesar salad. Or in French it's salad Caesar.
What are you having, Rio? Can you remember
Steak.
what it's called? Steak hatch.
Chocolate, they've got hot chocolate. Oh my god. Interesting.
It was $8.80 in the last place.
Expensive in France.
Yeah, very. We've had a lovely meal, as you saw, and we've just found this cafe square, and the place is called Café l'Agriculture, and I don't know what the name of the square is, but it's just down from the hotel. It looks fantastic. There's a real cafe culture in this town, which I absolutely love. It's great.
Hello. We're in a hotel, and I can't stand up.
That's us leaving Beaugency. Let's move on. We're heading to Paris.
Take the first exit onto Avenue Robert.